How's it going, everyone? Oculus VR here. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and I know a lot of people are going to be getting into VR for the first time because it's the holiday season. So this means a lot of people really aren't familiar with the tricks and features that the Oculus Quest 2 has. So today we're going to be going over all the tips and hidden features of the Oculus Quest 2. Now before we get into it, I would love to thank all of you guys because we just hit 300 subscribers. I just really appreciate it. I would love to give all of you guys a hug, but I don't really think that's allowed nowadays. And it just makes me so happy that I'm able to share something that I love so much with other people, and people are actually watching it and enjoying it, except for the Orbis VR video.
Yeah, sorry if y'all didn't like that video. I was pretty mean on that game.
But all jokes aside, thank you guys so much. It means so much to me. Alright, let's get straight into the video. Alright, one thing that I figured out is that you can actually connect Bluetooth headphones to the Oculus Quest 2, which is amazing because Oculus Quest 2 is supposed to be a tetherless experience, so having a long headphone wire can be kind of annoying when you're trying to play a game.
You can do this by easily going into settings, then going to experimental features, and then pressing the pair by the Bluetooth pairing button. Then whatever Bluetooth device you're using should pop up, but I can't record that because the Oculus Quest 2 won't let me.
You can pair Bluetooth headphones, Apple AirPods, and Samsung Galaxy Buds. You can do this if you just want to watch videos in VR, but it doesn't really work good with Beat Saber. Oh yeah, and you can also use Bluetooth speakers, but I don't know why you want to do that. Now another feature that I use quite often is the pass-through shortcut. This gives you the ability to see the world around you by just simply tapping on the headset twice. This is useful if you just want to see your play space around you and make sure that there's nobody in the way, or if there's an object in the way.
To be able to access this, go to experimental features and scroll down and press the pass-through shortcut. And then try to tap on your headset twice to make sure it works, but sometimes it can take some force.
Now since we're on the subject of pass-through, I'm going to give you all some more ways that you can use this feature.
Now when you start the headset, you see your home environment, but there's actually a way to change this, and there are many different ones, like the Quest Dome, Winter Lodge, Classic Home, and Cyber City, and my personal favorite, Space Station. But there's actually a pass-through home environment that shows what's around you while still showing the big screen, which is very useful. I'll use this sometimes if I want to sit down and watch some YouTube on my couch and still see this huge screen. Now, I can't show you guys what it's like because the Oculus Quest 2 doesn't allow it, but just trust me, it's very cool. You can simply access this by just going to Oculus browser. One feature that I simply can't get enough of is hand tracking. As of right now, this is exclusively on the Oculus Quest and Oculus Quest 2, and it should automatically start on your headset if your controllers are not present. Hand tracking is great if you want to quickly check something on your headset without having to grab your controllers, or if you want to browse the internet without controllers. As of right now, there are only a few games that have hand tracking support, and the best ones include Waltz of the Wizard, Vacation Simulator, The Curious Tale of the Stolen Pets, and Elixir.
Now this next feature is really helpful if you want to play VR before going to sleep, and that is the night light. Now this feature isn't really what you think. It actually helps reduce blue light, which can cause eye strain and can keep you awake.
Just go into settings and press the moon button and boom, everything is yellow. Now it looks very noticeable when you start it up, but you get used to it after a minute or two. I can't really show you guys what it looks like because again, the Oculus Quest 2 doesn't allow you to record it. I would do this if you're going to play VR for an hour or two before going to bed, and if you get headaches often, or if you just want to watch a long event in VR. Now one feature I've been using quite a lot is the new casting update. Now let's say you want to show your friends and family just what you're seeing in VR. Well, now you can do it even better with the new update. You just go to the sharing button and press cast. And if you want to do it on your phone, you have to boot up the Oculus app first. And since the new update, they actually have a way to cast to your computer, but right now it's only Windows and Chrome. You simply just look up oculus.com and find the casting page, and then boom, it's done. Now one really cool thing that I found is that if your computer has an HDMI output, you can actually hook it up to a TV with an HDMI cord and cast from there. This way you don't really need to buy a Chromecast unless your TV already has it built in. Another great thing about this update is if you cast to your phone, you can actually record what you're seeing on the Oculus and send it straight to your phone. It's just an easy way to share.
Now for our other tip, actually helps out the fact that the Oculus Quest 2 has no IPD slider. The Oculus Quest 2 only has 3 IPD settings, that being 58, 63, and 68. And if you don't know what IPD is, it's actually interpupillary distance, and it's the distance between your eyes. And most headsets have a slider so you can adjust the sweet spot. And since there are only 3 settings, you can actually adjust it into the middle, so that way you're able to have a wider range of IPD. I hope this helps. Now one tip a lot of people don't actually know is that you can get rid of the box FOV or square FOV and make it more of a circle if you simply put in the lens spacer. This happens because your eyes are way too close to the screen, so you can see the edges of it. This really only happens on the last two settings, and if you're on 58 then you're probably fine, and this might cause a bit of light leak, but it helps in the long run. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's tips and features video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know what tip helped you out the most, and if I missed one, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and ring the bell, and of course, if you didn't like the video, it wouldn't hurt to let me know. I'm always open to advice. And if you like my content, be sure to subscribe because I have a lot of amazing videos coming up in the future. Happy holidays, have fun exploring that virtual world, and of course, take care.